Hope you're doing good and welcome to my beginner's Shopify tutorial using Debutify in 2024. What is Debutify? Well, it is one of the most popular Shopify themes. And with Debutify, the reason why it is so popular is there are numerous features that you would normally have to download a plugin or you would normally have to add a code to get on a regular theme. For example, you can add a countdown timer and numerous other apps for completely free without having to download the app using the Beautifier. And I'm going to be showing you all of these features. So the first thing you'll need to do is create a Shopify account, which you can do for completely free. After you have created your Shopify account, you're going to go onto the Beautifier. Then from there, you're going to tap on Start Free Trial. After you have done that, you can enter your full name right there. So let me do that real quick. So Jason Tutorials. After you have added your name, you can also add your email address. Then from there, you can create a password and you can tap on create my account. I'm going to be doing this real quick. And then from there, we can continue with the tutorial. If you're signed up, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And all you'll need to do now, you can close the pop-ups and we're going to be connecting our store. So you're going to tap on connect store. Then do you have a Shopify store? You're going to tap on yes. And you're going to simply go onto your Shopify store and you're going to tap on view your online store from the left-hand menu option. And you're going to simply copy your store URL. After copying your store URL, you're going to go back onto Debutify and you're going to paste in the URL right here. Then tap on verify URL. Then you're going to tap on connect and get theme. After you have tapped on connect and get theme, you're going to see right here the option to download. You're going to tap on download. Then from there, you have a few options. You can see right here, update to 6.03. This is all if you're already using the Beautifier. But if you weren't using it before, you're going to tap on fresh. Then after you have tapped on fresh, you can see right there, it has now been downloaded. Now that it has been downloaded, you can tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner. Then from there, you could select downloads and you can see right there, we could tap on show in folder and you can see it right here. It has now been downloaded. So all we'll need to do, let's go back and we're going to go back into our Shopify store and you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and tap on online store. Once on the themes page, as you can see right here, all you'll need to do now is scroll down and you're going to tap on add theme. Then tap on upload zip file and you're going to tap on add file and you're going to add the Debutify file that you had downloaded and you're going to tap on open. Then tap on upload file. After you have tapped on upload file, you're going to give it a few seconds while the theme is being installed. Once the Debutify theme has been installed, we're going to tap on customize and I'm going to be showing you how to customize it. While that is being done, we can go back onto the main platform and you can go over to the left-hand menu option. By going over to the left-hand menu option, you could tap on add-ons. After tapping on add-ons, these are the numerous features that you can quickly add onto your new Shopify store using the Debutify theme. So for example, if you would like to add an age check option, you could simply toggle it on. And if you would like to add the agree to terms, you can simply toggle it on. If you would like to add an announcement bar, any one of these add-ons, you can quickly do that by simply toggling it on. And as I was saying earlier, this is one of the main reasons why this theme is so popular, as it allows you to create a professional looking store in no time. And you can also go over to the left-hand menu option and tap on integrations. And from here, you can see different apps or softwares that you can quickly integrate onto your Shopify store, as you can see right here. So let us go back onto Shopify and see if it is finished installed. you can see right there, we are going to tap on customize. After you have tapped on customize, you'll be redirected to the editor page. At the moment, this is how it looks right here. So if I were to tap on the three dots, I can tap on preview and you can see how it looks. So this is how it looks at the moment. Now to start customizing it, all you'll need to do, you can simply tap on the different sections that you would like to edit. So for example, if you would like to edit the slides row section, you can tap on it. Then from there, you can tap on explore free images, or you could upload your own image. So I'm going to select some free image for example's sake. So I'm going to use that one as one right there. Then you can also add another one for the other slideshow right there. So I'm going to be using this one for example's sake. After you have done that, if it is a case that you'd like to also edit the call to action button, or if you like to change the alignment, you can do that right there. You can also make the image clickable by tapping right where you see paste a link. You could paste in the link right there for the page that you would like to redirect them to. Now, if you would like to add an add-on for example's sake, so let's say for example, we would like to add an announcement bar. You can see the announcement bar option right here. Now to add it, all you'll need to do is go back onto Debutify. Then you'll tap on add-ons. After you have tapped on add-ons from the left-hand menu option, you would simply scroll down and right where you see announcement bar, you would toggle it on. Then you would tap on enable. Now that you have tapped on enable, if we were to go back into Shopify, once on this page, all you need to do now, you could tap on announcement bar right there. After you have tapped on announcement bar, from here you can tap on enable sticky announcement bar if you want, or you can simply enable small text. All you'll need to do, once back on the page, you'll simply refresh the page. But before doing that, you'll tap on save to save the changes. Then you can simply refresh the page real quick. After you have refreshed the page, you'll realize that the announcement bar is now showing and you can now edit it. So we could tap right there, we can change the text and you can change anything that you want. You can also enable sticky announcement bar if you want. So you can enable that if you want. And if we were to go back, if you would like to add any other add-ons, it is as simple as that. So for example, if you would like to add the mega menu, all you'll need to do is go back into Debutify. Then from there, you'll scroll down and you'll simply search for the mega menu option. Once you have found that option, you can simply tap on it and then from there, you can enable it. So it is as easy as that to add anything. So for example, if we would like to add the breadcrumbs option, so let us scroll back up. We'll simply toggle it on right there, then tap on enable. After you have enabled it, you can go back into your Shopify store. Then you will simply tap on save once more in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on save, you will realize that the breadcrumbs option has now been added if we were to tap on preview. And you can also use it to add newsletters and so on. Again, you'll simply go back into Debutify and then you can come back over here and you'll be able to add the add-on. It is as easy as that. You can edit any option you want by simply tapping on the left-hand menu option right here. You'll be able to edit it. You can tap on home page and you could change the page and you could go to product page and so on and you could continue editing it. And if we were to tap on theme settings right here, you can also go onto the card page. You could edit the card page. You can scroll down. You can edit the back in stock feature. You can also edit the color swatches, the cookie box. You can see that it provides you with numerous features compared to other themes. You can see that you can also add trust badges right here. So you could tap on trust badge. And again, all you'll need to do is go back into this section right here. And once you're on add-ons, you can scroll down and you could search for the trust badge feature. So let us search for it real quick. So you can see that you can also add delivery time, FAQ feature. You can also add gift wrap. There are numerous features that you can add, as you can see right here. You can add pricing table. The options are basically unlimited when it comes on to Debutify. So you can see the trust badge feature right here. All you'll need to do is tap on enable. So once it has been enabled right there, once on the product page, you will now be able to edit your trust badge feature. And again, all we'll need to do, we could simply refresh the page right here. Then if I were to go over to the left-hand menu option and select the trust badge feature once more, you can see right there, it has now been added, and we can now edit it, as you can see right here, show on card page, and you can also select a background image and so on if you want. It is as easy as that to use it. And to preview it, we'll tap on the three dots right here in the top left hand corner, then tap on preview, and you can see how our page looks at the moment. And that's it. If in the future, for example's sake, you would like to publish it and you would like to use it as your main theme, all you'll need to do is simply tap on publish right there and you'll be able to publish it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.